Rise and shine, CML family. What a day, what a day, what a day, what a day, oh. Sunday, June 14, and it's my birthday, oh. What a day, what a day, what a day, what a day, oh. Sunday, June 14th, and it's my birthday, oh. CML family, come celebrate with me. It's Sunday, June 14th, and it's my birthday, oh. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hello and welcome back, my CML fam. Today is a very beautiful day over here in Zone 10A, Florida. Even though I woke up feeling so frustrated this morning, so much things is happening, and that is the reason why today I'm going to be unboxing one of my birthday gifts with you all to see if I can cheer up myself and encourage myself to continue doing some work for the rest of the day. Let me go ahead and open this box now, show you what I got. And when I am done, I am going to tell you all who sent me this birthday gift. So, let's open up this box. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting, y'all. I think I need to stand up for this one. Guys, so first of all, oh my gosh, this looks like red. I need to take my glasses off to see if it is really red or terracotta color. Let me sit down as well, and it is a red, not terracotta. So I think this is the top. Not sure. I'm going to be taking out all the pieces first to see what we have, and then we are going to be assembling it together. But let that sit right there for now. And this is, this looks like the spinner. Bottom piece. Yep. Looking good so far. These are the middle pieces that we're going to be using in between the other ones, and this is 4 of them, 4 gray pieces. So let's put these right here. And there is this set attached to base. All right. Here is a booklet that we're going to be using, and this is a pack of seeds. Wow! I'm so excited! Ooh! So excited, even though I was not in a good mood. And I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and unbox my birthday gift, because you know the person might be looking every single day to see if I'm going to be unboxing it. Oh gosh, this really made my day. I don't know if I'm going to be doing anything else for the rest of the day apart from just dealing with my green stock. So I have one piece, two pieces, three pieces, four. We have five. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Five tier green stock. I am finally going to have my very own green stock. Oh my gosh. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Oh my god. Alright, so let me see. I need to check out the book that I think, oh yes. Yeah! Woohoo! Hey! Guys, let me check out the book to see where I'm supposed to put this hose, because it said I should attach it to the base. I don't know. Let me see. I might have to take off my glasses to attach that. Yes, I mean I have to take this off and put on my reading glasses. But let's see. I don't see anywhere in the book that is showing where to put it. So here is what I'm going to do. I think I'm gonna try. Let me just try to assemble it, and then just to see how it looks. I have my soil that I'm going to be putting in there. The soil is not prepared yet, but I just want you all to see how this is looking when it is all installed. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys, believe you me, I am super duper excited. Look how tall it is. Oh my gosh, I think I'm going to be obsessed with these things, you know. Yeah, I was just attaching them and not even looking at the parts. Oh, they're set up. So I just noticed something. There's this thing right here that I have to put over these parts right here. Yeah, and set it down like that. But as I said, let me just try it out, and then I'm going to be mixing up my soil. I'm going to be setting up this in a very nice area of my garden. Ooh. Oh gosh, am I setting that wrong? To me, and it's spinning, y'all. Look at this. Wow, the material for this thing is feeling so nice, and the depth that I'm looking at can hold some very deep rooted crops. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my, oh my god, oh my god. Well, guys, let me be here. Let me just set this up to show you how it looks. This is a gigantic green stalk, you all look. And then this thing is going on the top right here. Oh, oh yes. Oh yes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I didn't set that one properly. Another about to break my new baby now. Woohoo! All right, so I think, yeah, I think I'm doing it okay, but I don't think it's going to be stabilized until I add the soil in it, y'all. But one thing I know for sure, this thing is gigantic and I already love it. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. Hey! Can you all see me? Let me see if this thing can. Oh yeah. So the cover here, I can remove the leaf to pour water in at the top. That is going to be up here. So let me pick this. Oh my goodness. And then this will go up here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this, you all. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh! Sorry. But, you know, I recently posted a video talking about one small change can make a whole lot of difference. And I woke up this morning, I got an email that one of my videos, a video that I posted over a year ago, was now copyrighted. The music that is in it was eligible for revenue sharing, and I am not okay with that. I had to put the video on private, and a few months ago I actually had to delete about 2 or 3 more of my videos with the same issue. So my videos that I have all lined up for the month of July, unfortunately I'm gonna have to take down all of those videos, remove the music that I have in them. I might have to cut some of the videos shorter, I don't know, or I might not even use those videos. I probably might just have to do some new videos. So I woke up very frustrated, and then on top of it, my internet went out this morning. You know, so much has been happening for the past few weeks, you know, but I'm just trying to cope and just trying to hang in there with everything that has been happening. And this thing right here, it just made me feel a whole lot better for today. Trust me. I'm going to mix up my soil. I'm going to pull up my new green stalk. No, as a matter of fact, I have to find a suitable spot in the garden for this green stalk before I pull it up, because yeah, whenever I'm pulling up the sections, or I can pull up the sections and then take them one to put wherever I'm going to put them in the garden. But let me just say a very, 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 very big thank you to one of my biggest supporters, Kathy from over there in Doy's Garden. She sent me this as a birthday gift, and I really and truly appreciate it, guys. If you have not yet seen Miss Kathy's channel, she's growing in a number of green stalks. She have a very beautiful garden, and she also have additional containers that she's growing food in, and trust me, I am so proud of her, because she started her YouTube channel 2024. She has been gardening before that, and she's doing a super duper great job over there. She has been harvesting her food, she's been cooking her food, she has been teaching her grandchildren how to garden, and that is a very, very, very awesome thing to do. She's even sharing her plants with co-workers and friends, encouraging them how to start their garden journey. So guys, I am asking you, I am imploring you, please go over and support Kathy from over there in the Glory's Garden. She calls us her GG fam. So please go over and join the GG fam and support Miss Kathy, because she's trying to reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year. So Miss Kathy, once again, you made my day. You made my day. I know you've been probably looking for this day to see me unbox my birthday present. I love it, I love it, I love it. I don't know how much more I can say I love it. And the color, it's just going to blend in so much with what I have over there. The red, the green, the yellows, the blue, every single thing. Let me just go ahead now and see if I can find a spot in the garden to put my green stock. I'm going to be going through these books, instruction for original and the leaf, whatever. I need to find where to put this. So guys, if this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining or visiting the Cultivate and Motivate Me Lifestyle TV. I am your host, Evie. So until next time, I will see you soon in another video.